Today we are going to learn about mastering garbage collection in modern programming. We will explore various garbage collection techniques and their applications, enhancing your skills in memory management for optimized performance.
Garbage collection is a form of automatic memory management. The garbage collector attempts to reclaim memory occupied by objects that are no longer in use by the program. Understanding the intricacies of garbage collection is crucial for developers aiming to optimize performance and efficiently manage resources. In this introduction, we will explore what garbage collection is, why it is necessary, and how it benefits modern programming. By automatically reclaiming memory, garbage collection minimizes memory leaks and reduces the burden on developers, allowing them to focus on more critical tasks. This process enhances application performance and resource utilization, making it a key component of efficient software development. The mark and sweep algorithm is one of the foundational garbage collection techniques. It works in two distinct phases, the mark phase and the sweep phase. During the mark phase, the garbage collector traverses all object references, marking each reachable object. Objects that are not marked are considered unreachable and thus eligible for garbage collection. In the sweep phase, the memory occupied by these unmarked objects is reclaimed. The simplicity of this algorithm makes it widely used, but it can lead to fragmentation and pause times, affecting performance. Understanding its operation helps developers make informed decisions about when to use this algorithm, particularly in environments where predictability and simplicity are more critical than raw performance. Generational garbage collection divides objects into generations based on their lifespan. Typically, objects are allocated in a young generation, and those that survive multiple garbage collection cycles are promoted to an older generation. This approach is based on the observation that most objects die young, meaning they become unreachable quickly. By focusing collection efforts on the young generation where most garbage is found, generational garbage collection can be more efficient than a traditional approach. It reduces the frequency and duration of pauses, leading to better performance in many applications. Understanding this process allows developers to better tune garbage collection settings, adapting them to the specific needs and behavior of their applications.
Garbage collection significantly impacts application performance, balancing between throughput and latency. While automatic memory management reduces developer effort and minimizes memory leaks, it introduces pauses when the garbage collector runs. These pauses can vary in duration and frequency, affecting the application's responsiveness. Understanding the trade-offs between throughput, the amount of work done by the application, and latency, the time taken to respond to requests, is crucial for optimizing performance. Various factors, such as the choice of garbage collection algorithm, object allocation patterns, and memory usage behavior, influence these trade-offs. Developers can employ strategies like tuning garbage collector parameters and employing memory-efficient coding practices to mitigate negative impacts and enhance overall application performance.
Optimizing garbage collection settings requires a deep understanding of your application's memory usage patterns and performance requirements. Start by identifying performance bottlenecks, often characterized by excessive pause times or memory consumption. Use profiling tools to monitor garbage collection activity and gather data on memory allocation and object lifecycles. Adjusting garbage collection parameters, such as heap size, generation sizes, and garbage collector type, can significantly impact performance. It's essential to strike a balance between memory usage and application responsiveness, ensuring that the garbage collector operates efficiently without hindering performance. By studying real-world case studies, developers can gain insights into successful tuning strategies and apply these lessons to their projects, achieving optimal performance. Despite its benefits, garbage collection can present challenges, including memory leaks, long pause times, and fragmentation. Identifying memory leaks involves monitoring memory usage over time and detecting unexpected growth patterns. Long pause times can be mitigated by adjusting garbage collector parameters or selecting a more suitable algorithm. Fragmentation, resulting from non-contiguous memory allocation, may be addressed through defragmentation techniques or by increasing heap size. Developers should leverage diagnostic tools to analyze garbage collection logs, identify issues, and implement solutions. Strategies such as profiling applications, optimizing object lifecycles, and refining memory allocation patterns can effectively resolve common garbage collection problems, ensuring smoother application performance. Writing GC-friendly code is essential for minimizing the overhead caused by garbage collection and enhancing application performance. Efficient memory allocation involves using memory wisely, avoiding excessive object creation, and employing object pooling techniques to reuse objects instead of constantly creating new ones. Reducing object retention is crucial. Objects that are no longer needed should be dereferenced promptly to allow for garbage collection. Selecting the appropriate data structures can also impact memory usage and garbage collection efficiency. For instance, using arrays or primitive data types instead of objects can reduce memory overhead. By adhering to these best practices, developers can create applications that are not only efficient but also maintainable, reducing the impact of garbage collection on performance.
Real-world applications provide valuable insights into the practical implementation and impact of garbage collection. Consider the Java programming language, which relies heavily on garbage collection for memory management. Java applications must be carefully tuned to balance performance and memory usage, often using tools like Java Visual VM or Console for monitoring. In C#, garbage collection plays a similar role, with the .NET framework offering various garbage collectors tailored to different workloads. By examining case studies, developers can observe the challenges faced in optimizing garbage collection, such as managing large heaps or reducing pause times. These examples highlight the importance of understanding garbage collection mechanisms and the benefits of tuning and optimizing settings to achieve performance improvements. Lessons learned from these real-world scenarios can guide developers in making informed decisions and improving their applications. The field of garbage collection continues to evolve, driven by advancements in technology and the growing complexity of applications. Future trends in garbage collection technology include the development of more sophisticated algorithms that minimize pause times and improve efficiency. These advancements are often driven by the need to integrate with modern hardware architectures, such as multi-core processors and large memory systems. The rise of AI and machine learning has also influenced garbage collection, as these technologies require efficient memory management to handle large datasets and complex computations. Trends in memory management emphasize reducing latency and improving throughput, aligning with the demands of real-time and high-performance applications. As technology advances, garbage collection will likely continue to evolve, offering new solutions and optimizations to meet the needs of modern software development. By staying informed about these trends, developers can prepare for future challenges and opportunities in memory management.
In conclusion, mastering garbage collection in modern programming is essential for optimizing application performance and resource utilization. We have explored various garbage collection techniques, including mark and sweep and generational algorithms, and their impact on application performance. By tuning garbage collection settings and following best practices, developers can write GC-friendly code that minimizes memory overhead and enhances responsiveness. As technology evolves, staying informed about future trends and advancements will enable developers to adapt and continue improving their applications. Efficient memory management is not only crucial for performance optimization but also for the longevity and maintainability of software projects.